Hello and welcome to a new tutorial series on my YouTube channel. And no, this is not going to be a programming tutorial series, it's going to be a Discord tutorial series. Yes, that's right, because Discord has brought up a lot of new features in 2020 and already some in 2021, which there are no tutorials for. Or at least not ones that explain them really good or what they do, and who are not really popular. So we're going to get into that. And when you're watching this, I think you're maybe wondering how does this whole Discord thing works. Probably you should be already familiar with the interface, so how to add friends and the user settings and so on. But what we're going to focus in this Discord tutorial series is creating a server. And in this episode, I'm just going to give you a little briefing of what you will of what will come and what you're going to be expecting, which content I will cover, and so on. So in the first few episodes, we're just going to focus on the basics on how to create a server, what are concepts for servers, what does a server need that's being able to run a community. And we're going to get over the server settings, which are, for example, the roles, the moderation ones, the audit log, for example, or some others like special text channels and the community function. After this, we're going to focus on little things like setting up, for example, a webhook or using bots. And in the end, we're going to focus on some detailing stuff like how to bring your server on certain websites to advertise it, or maybe channel overrides and all that stuff. How you make a good role and permission management, and so on. And in the end steps, we're going to focus on how do you set up a moderation team. We're going to focus on moderation. I will link some resources to that, of course. And you can already expect something. So this is just going to be a briefing. And next week I'm going to upload the first episode where we're going to create our server and already play a bit around with text channels and all that stuff. So I really hope you enjoyed that video. I see you in the next one. Bye!